Hey y'all, I'm Devin from Penpixel Creative, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about your SEO services. Now, your SEO isn't broken, it was just built wrong. Most B2B companies get sold an SEO package with keyword rankings, technical audits, and maybe even a blog or two. But then what? Your traffic goes up, but leads, nothing. So here's the thing, SEO that doesn't drive leads is just another line on your expense report. You don't need more content. You need a strategy that maps how your buyers actually make decisions. So that's where we start. Audience and keyword research tied directly to your sales process. Content that solves real buying questions, gets you visibility across search, AI results, and even voice queries. And then boom, your first problem solved. You're showing up where it counts. But wait, now you're getting traffic, maybe even some solid leads. So suddenly the question becomes, why is this working? What should we double down on? What's actually moving the needle? Most agencies can't tell you, so they stop at delivery. And that's where we zoom in with performance tracking that actually shows which keywords, which content, and which channels are driving real conversations, not just clicks. We adjust month over month over month, no guesswork, just forward motion. So here's the part most teams never see coming. You've got traffic, you've got leads, but your brand still sounds like everyone else. It's generic, it's safe, and it's SEO'd to death. And that's the kiss of death in B2B, because your competitors can copy a blog post, but they can't copy your voice, your point of view, or your edge. And that's why we don't just write content that ranks, we write to build your brand while we bring in leads. So your SEO becomes a positioning tool, not just funnel filler. So if you're tired of SEO that's all fluff and no follow through, let us fix it. We'll build the strategy, tie it to sales, and help you stand out while showing up. You can run that strategy yourself, or you can retain us to handle everything for you so you can concentrate on your business. Click the link to schedule a call with me, and let's make your SEO the engine it should have been all along.